Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. It is March 25th, 2025 at 10:51 in the morning. A little late to the party, but let's get on with it. Looking at dollar yen right now, what we're seeing is we had a nice little rally to 151. We had a resistance point on a weekly at 151.51. We said yesterday if we broke that 150.20, we're heading back down to 149. 33. I don't know if we're going to quite make that. I think that we could potentially get a slight bit of consolidation here, perhaps just trading around this area right here, like 149.50, 149.60. However, if we do break that, we're going to test this 149.34. If that opens, we're looking at like 148.83 again. Now, the only way this thing shows any potential strength right now is if we get above, I'm going to put a horizontal, I'm going to put a ray up here, 150.33. So you don't have to wait for me to find it. That's fine. I'll put it at 150.36. That's right now. There is resistance here for the day. So if we can get above that, we're going to basically test this high again. Let's go over to good old sterling dollar. This thing has just been, I don't even have to change the charts. It's basically been the same. 130 resistance, 128.76 right now support. As it stands right now, we need to get over this 129.80 level. Then we got massive resistance at 130 to figure and 130.50. If we break this 128.75, we're drifting down to that 128.20. Let's go over good old sterling yen. Here's an interesting cross. All right, so sterling yen went a little bit higher than the resistance, right to like 195. Right now, as it stands, actually, this is now going to change to 194, 55. 194, that's fine. That's close enough. 194.54 resistance. It needs to get over 194.54 resistance basically to try to get up through this high. Right now, it's pushing down. Most likely, we could probably get to 193.50-ish right now, short term, 193.50 right there. So sterling yen a little bit weak right now, tracking in between these 2 points. The only way it shows strength is if we get above that 194.55. Now, a break of 193.50 is driving us down to 193, the figure. Let's get on over to good old euro yen. All right, right now euro yen is not really broken. Well, really, resistance is going to be 163.55, 162. I'm sorry, 162.57 is the new resistance right now. We nailed the top right here. We said there was resistance here yesterday at 163.01. Touched it and came right off. The only way this thing shows any type of strength, again, is if it gets above 162.57. Right now, if it breaks this 162, the figure, we're drifting down to like, I would have to go down to this low bars close 160, 160, 160, 140. So that's what I got for you guys on the quick update for good old Forex. Remember, always enjoy the party, dance near the door. Head on over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook, and we'll talk soon. Cheers.